So even though we've been fairly cool since November, December, into early January, if you have hellebores, some of them are probably starting to come up. Most of your plants will have lots of foliage from last year like this. Nice, lush, evergreen, perennial foliage. But you'll start to see the crown, new growth coming up. So now is the time that you need to start clipping back that foliage so that we don't have the blooms hidden by last year's growth. So it's really simple to do. Just take your clippers and cut back the old foliage within a couple inches of the ground. And you are all set. Do that throughout the crowns of all of your plants. Be really careful not to get any of the sap on your hands, your skin, as it can be irritating, causing burning, that sort of stuff. So now is the time to take away the old foliage from last year on your hellebores.